My viewer looks as though they've just finished work and they're about to head home, but unfortunately they get caught up in a collision which was totally avoidable. I'm going to let the clip run first time round and see whether you can spot it. Thankfully, my viewer wasn't injured, and there didn't seem to be too much damage to either the car or the bike. And the conversation between the two parties was really amicable and nice. Full credit to both of you. But honestly, both of you should have spotted it and not let it happen in the first place. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Before we start delving into either side of the story here, I would like to say that it would be the responsibility of the motorist to give way in this situation, so if there was any insurance claim, it would fall on that driver's shoulders. So there's a simple message for every single motorist. When you're crossing traffic and there's a queue that you're crossing, make sure there's no cyclist coming through on the inside. Also be thinking of this if you are going to give way to anyone. Just like the Peugeot driver here. I definitely would have used the horn to warn of the impending danger. But the driver of the Ford Focus that hit my viewer on the bike should have been a lot slower here. I do totally understand when people are let out like this, they feel compelled to rush, so they're not holding others up, and that's what I think happened. So even though my viewer can't be blamed for a situation like this, they could have done a lot better. All the clues were there, and they failed to pick up on any of them. One of the basic hazard perception skills are trying to work out when you're potentially going to be arriving at the same point at the same time as anyone. Most road users sort this out when you haven't got priority, but the really good ones sort it out when you have. I'd be assessing this junction. Is the grey car coming out, or is anyone going to turn from the opposite side? And you should only proceed when you're happy there's no risk. I'd now make sure there weren't any people walking in between the cars as I was filtering. But now we can look at the clues my viewer missed. And the first clue is the flash of the lights from the silver Peugeot driver. We can now see the space being left, and we can't see the car that's potentially going to cross our path. I would have been slow in here until I was certain that I'd been seen, but my viewer continues. Like I've said, my viewer can't be blamed for this situation. However, they could do a hell of a lot better. The skills of some motorists aren't very good whatsoever, so why would you put your life in their hands? The only person who's going to get injured in this scenario is the cyclist, and it always surprises me how little some people do to protect themselves. Maybe I just expect too much. Keep safe, I'll see you soon.